Hello, gearheads. In the arena of automotive titans, where engineering meets ambition, two colossal forces prepare for an epic clash. The stakes are higher than ever. The world watches as legends collide. On one side, standing tall, unyielding, invincible, Lexus, the eternal champion of reliability, the symbol of unwavering excellence, and on the other, rising with fierce determination, Infiniti, the daring challenger, driven by innovation and the thirst for greatness. This is not just a comparison. This is a battle for supremacy, for legacy, a test of endurance, a clash of philosophies, a war for the road. And now the stage is set. Prepare yourself for the ultimate showdown. The stakes are higher, the challenge greater, the contenders unstoppable. In the beginning, there was Lexus. Born from a vision so grand, so bold, it would forever change the automotive world. In 1989, when the world expected nothing less than perfection, Lexus delivered it. The Lexus LS, the crown jewel, crafted to perfection, engineered for greatness. Since then, Lexus has become more than just a name. It has become a symbol, a benchmark, a legend of unrivaled reliability. With each passing year, Lexus reinforces its reputation, cementing its place in the hearts of millions. A stubborn commitment to quality, engineering, and precision that spans decades. In the battle of reliability, Lexus doesn't just compete, Lexus conquers. Lexus's reign is absolute. A beacon of consistency in a world of fleeting trends, it has earned its title as the most reliable automaker. 7 times in a row, 98.3%. That is not a number. That is a testament to trust. Trust that comes from thousands of drivers who depend on Lexus day after day, year after year. This is the kind of reliability that transcends expectations. If reliability is your priority, a Lexus model is the best choice. She does not whisper it, she commands it. And the reason? The engineering excellence that runs through every fiber of Lexus. Every model, every part tested beyond belief. A team of engineers relentless in their pursuit of perfection. Lexus does not build cars, they forge legends. And when Lexus entered the realm of hybrid technology, it did not merely step in. It revolutionized it. The RX 400h, the first hybrid luxury SUV, rewrote the playbook. Lexus's dedication to pushing boundaries, to innovate while ensuring performance and sustainability, makes them not just leaders, but pioneers. Then, from the shadows comes a new challenger, Infiniti. Born in the same year, 1989, under the banner of Nissan, Infiniti dared to carve its own path. A brand with the ambition to not just challenge, but to redefine the boundaries of luxury. Bold designs, exhilarating performance, a car for those who dare to dream. But as much as Infiniti shines with its aggressive pursuit of innovation, can it truly stand toe-to-toe with the mighty Lexus? Infiniti is no stranger to groundbreaking feats. From the introduction of intelligent cruise control to pioneering blind spot intervention technology, Infiniti has been driven by ambition. They push the envelope with each new feature, each new model, but innovation alone does not guarantee victory. Reliability, true, unshakable reliability, is what separates greatness from the ordinary. While Infiniti has earned accolades, it stands on a foundation that, at times, is more fragile than solid. Let's step into the realm of numbers, where ownership becomes more than a dream. It becomes a financial commitment. For Lexus, ownership is a long-term partnership, one that never feels like a burden. With an average maintenance cost of just $551 annually, Lexus ensures that the cost of luxury doesn't break the bank. Over 10 years, that's $6,875, a sum that gives you luxury without the looming dread of astronomical bills. And then, there's Infiniti. Performance comes at a price, and the price for Infiniti ownership is steep. With maintenance costs hovering around $638 per year over a decade, that climbs to $10,354. A significant jump, especially for those seeking a long-term investment. For those who desire luxury without the endless financial strain, the scales tip heavily in favor of Lexus. Now let's talk about repairs. The true measure of a brand's reliability lies not just in its performance, but in how it handles the inevitable. For Lexus, repairs are manageable. Minor issues like windshield wiper motor replacements or carrier bearing fixes, all with minimal cost. Even the hybrid battery replacement for the RX 400h at $6,528 is a rare event. These are not major roadblocks. They are boulders you can overcome with ease. But for Infiniti, the road is much more treacherous. Transmission issues that cost $6,900 to repair. A catalytic converter replacement that can cost upwards of $4,169. And these are not rare occurrences. They are a pattern. In the world of luxury cars, reliability is not just a preference. It is the foundation upon which true luxury is built. Lexus builds that foundation. Infiniti? They seem to stumble on it. And when it comes to safety, Lexus stands firm. A proactive approach, a recall for rear-view camera issues, handled swiftly. Their track record remains stellar. Safety is not just a priority for Lexus. It is a sacred promise. But Infiniti? Troubling recalls, airbag issues that could cost lives, seatbelt pretensioner issues that leave drivers in danger. When it comes to safety, Lexus takes no chances. In the end, the choice is clear. Lexus reigns supreme in the realm of reliability. It offers consistent quality, affordable maintenance, and a rock-solid foundation built on trust. Infiniti may dazzle with style and performance, but when it comes to reliability, the cornerstone of true luxury, Lexus stands alone at the summit. As the sun sets on this legendary showdown, the question remains, will you embrace the legacy of Lexus? A brand that promises not just luxury, but enduring reliability? Or will you venture into the unknown with Infiniti, where the excitement is high? But so too is the risk. The road ahead is waiting. The choice is yours. Choose wisely.